So we're about to talk to you about the Huawei P20 Lite. Wait, no, that's not right. This is the Huawei Nova 3E. But it looks exactly the same. Hi there, I'm Tom, and welcome to another episode of Tech Talk. This week we're looking at the Huawei Nova 3E, or is it the Huawei P20 Lite? Well, it's actually both. Yes, while in other regions this phone is known as the P20 Lite, in the UAE this has been rebranded as the Nova 3E. Huawei hasn't told us why they've changed the naming convention, but we reckon it's to distance this mid-range smartphone from its class-leading P20 brother. But names aside, there's only one question that matters. Is the Nova 3E worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. To start, the Nova 3E is a good-looking smartphone. It won't win awards for creativity, as we've certainly seen that notch somewhere before, but that doesn't change the fact that it looks rather slick. The notch contains the front-facing camera, a speaker and a light sensor, while the back sports two additional cameras and a fingerprint scanner. It's worth noting that the back is actually made out of glass, which makes it feel quite premium in the hand. However, it also tends to attract fingerprints. The smartphone comes in 4 colors: black, blue, pink and gold. And each one looks rather good. Unlike some other mobiles we might mention, the P20 Lite has a headphone jack right next to the USB-C port. Unlike other premium smartphones, this one isn't water or dust resistant, which again we can forgive given that this isn't supposed to be a flagship device. From a display point of view, the Nova 3E has a bright 5.84-inch LCD with a better than HD pixel ratio. That means that it's still pin sharp when it comes to viewing videos or images. We also like the fact that it has an ambient light sensor built into the screen, meaning that the screen will actually adapt its brightness automatically depending on your setting. Under the hood lies a Kirin 659 processor, which is typical given the price of this device. The phone also comes with 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM. Fortunately, for media lovers, you can expand the storage up to 256GB via a micro SD card slot. The phone comes with dual lens camera on the back. One rocks 16 megapixels while the other just 2 megapixels. Why so little on the second lens? It's because the phone only uses that camera to create that delightful bokeh effect on images. We're happy to report that the camera performs well in good light, snappily taking landscapes and portrait shots that look great to the naked eye. The front camera is also a 16 megapixel affair, and so selfies look pretty great also. All in all, the Huawei Nova 3E is a solid mid-tier smartphone. We dig the design as well as the multiple cameras on the back. And at this price, we don't think many people will be complaining. The Nova 3E is available right now from all good gadget stores. So that's all from me, and that's been another episode of Tech Talk. Be sure to let us know what you thought of the Nova 3E in the comments. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss another episode, and I shall be seeing you very soon.